So you received your new OBS Metro 7 bikes and you're ready to get them set up. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the admin package that was included with your shipment. In your pouch, you'll find a 10 and 15mm crescent wrench, a hex and Torx multi-tool, a battery charger, as well as a 1/4-inch driver and 2 security bits. Each bike also gets a basket as well as a set of pedals. Our first step is to get the handlebars fastened in place. Start by standing over the bike. Using your front wheel as a guide, line the handlebars up so they're perpendicular to the wheel. Using the 6mm hex key on your multi-tool, firmly tighten the handlebars into place. For the next step, we'll be installing the basket. Start by removing the hardware that's hand-tightened onto the cargo rack. Next, place your basket on the cargo rack so that the mounting holes are lined up and reinsert the hardware. Now using your 10mm crescent wrench, hold the lock nuts in place while tightening the bolts on top with the 5mm hex key on your multi-tool. For the final step, we'll install the pedals. You'll first want to identify the correct pedal for each side of the bike marked by an R or an L. To avoid cross-threading, start threading the pedal in by hand, rotating towards the front of the bike. Finish tightening the pedal using the 15mm crescent wrench, then repeat the process for the other side. It's important to note that on the left side of the bike, the threading is reversed. Spin the pedal counterclockwise to tighten.